Hi everyone. Welcome to DIY Wellness Journey, where we explore simple and effective ways to take care of yourself and your health. In today's video, we are diving into a topic that so many of us struggle with: hair care at home. If you've been dealing with hair loss or thinning, you're not alone, and I'm here to guide you through the overwhelming sea of advice and treatments with easy, science-backed tips you can try at home. Hair loss and its impact. Hair loss can be emotionally challenging, affecting our confidence and even how we perceive ourselves. Whether it's due to stress, lifestyle, or genetics, it's important to remember that you're not alone. Unfortunately, the ads we see for hair treatments and products can make us feel even more overwhelmed. Expensive treatments and miracle solutions often overpromise and underdeliver. But today, we'll focus on what you can do at home, using simple, minimal ingredients and proven habits to improve your hair health. What can be done at home with minimal ingredients? Let's start with some basic remedies. Did you know that ingredients like fenugreek and rose water can work wonders for your hair? Fenugreek, packed with protein, fenugreek helps in preventing hair loss, nourishing the scalp, and promoting healthy hair growth. You can soak fenugreek seeds overnight, grind them into a paste, and apply it to your scalp. Leave it on for about 30 minutes before washing off. Rose water. This magical ingredient helps soothe the scalp, balance pH levels, and reduce dandruff. It's also great for hydration and boosting hair shine. But let's take it one step further. Here's a simple DIY hair serum you can make right at home with minimal ingredients that can really boost your hair's health. DIY hair serum recipe. For a nourishing and rejuvenating hair serum, you'll need 1 tablespoon of castor oil, helps stimulate hair growth and improve hair thickness. 1 tablespoon of rose water, hydrates and nourishes the scalp, promoting healthy hair growth. 1 tablespoon of fenugreek water, helps reduce hair fall and strengthen hair from the root. 5 drops of lavender essential oil, soothes the scalp and reduces stress, which can help prevent hair loss. Mix all these ingredients in a small glass bottle or container, shake well, and apply a few drops to your scalp. Gently massage in circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes before bedtime, and leave it on overnight. Wash it out the next morning with a mild, sulfate-free shampoo. This serum is packed with essential nutrients that will nourish your scalp and promote healthier, stronger hair. Lifestyle and habits for healthy hair. Hair care isn't just about what you put on your scalp, it's about taking care of your overall health too. Sleep well. Poor sleep affects your body's ability to repair and regenerate, including hair cells. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of good quality sleep every night. Underlying health conditions, issues like thyroid imbalances, anemia, or PCOS can contribute to hair loss. If you suspect something deeper is affecting your hair, consult a doctor for proper diagnosis and treatment. When to consult a doctor. It's also important to know when to seek professional help. If you're experiencing excessive hair shedding, patchy hair loss, or scalp inflammation, a dermatologist or trichologist can provide targeted treatment to address the root cause. Shampoos and oils. Choosing the right shampoo is crucial. Opt for mild, sulfate-free shampoos that suit your scalp type. Overwashing can strip away natural oils, so stick to 2 to 3 washes a week unless your hair gets very oily or sweaty. As for oils, regular oiling can be incredibly beneficial. I recommend coconut oil for its deep nourishment, but only use it occasionally. It's rich in fatty acids that penetrate the hair shaft and help restore moisture. Stress management. Did you know that stress is one of the leading causes of hair loss? Managing stress isn't just good for your hair, it's essential for your overall health. Practice mindfulness, yoga, or even take a 10-minute break every day to just breathe and relax. It can make a world of difference. Additional tips. Balanced diet. Include protein, biotin, and iron-rich foods like eggs, nuts, and spinach in your meals. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep your scalp hydrated. Protect your hair. Avoid excessive heat styling and chemical treatments, and always use a heat protectant if you must style. Closing. So there you have it, a comprehensive hair care plan you can follow right from your home, including your very own DIY hair serum with fenugreek, rose water, and castor oil. Remember, healthy hair starts with a healthy lifestyle, so focus on nourishing yourself inside and out. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy.